Shout out to this guy scratching off a lottery ticket, not paying attention to anything. See you later. Yeah. All right. It's that time again, folks. That's right. You're in the rear. You guessed it. Yard and garage sailing. So, if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab out your favorite beverage, head on back to your screen, and enjoy the show. Because it's looking like another day in paradise out here. Aw, yeah. Let's get it. Alright, first yard sale of the day. I'm actually taking a chance. They said 8 o'clock and it's 7:14, so hopefully they don't kick me out and say I'm an early bird, but you know what? I don't give a damn. I'm gonna try this. Alright, leaving that one. Found one item. On to the next one we go. It's looking awesome out here today. Alright, the hunt continues. I'm looking for another yard sale, supposedly on the street. It is now 8:05, and here it is on the left. Well, wish me luck. Hey, a couple of weights over there. If they're 25s, I might grab them. All right, just leaving that yard sale. I didn't get those weights, and I didn't get anything else. On to the next one we go. Hey, shout out to that doggy. Yeah. All right, look at that. I see a sign. It's telling me to go right. I wonder why. Well, that yard sale completely sucked. There was actually a lot of stuff, but a lot of kitchen and bedroom, and you know, the regular stuff. As far as valuables, they took everything. They kept it. They don't want to sell it. So it is what it is. It doesn't bother me because guess what? I'm on to the next one, and so are you. So let's go do this. Yet again, another fail. On to the next one we go. Man, it's looking horrible today. Last week was way better. Tons of yard sales last week. Today, I don't know. I think I've only stopped at about, what, 8 of them? Shit. And I think only one that I struck something. Yeah, I can't even think of anything else. Hey, shout out to this lady working real hard. That's what's up. Need more people like that in this world. And another special shout out to those 2 palm trees next to that USA flag. All right. Right, back in the office. It was kind of a shitty day, but you know what? I have a few goodies. All right, where do you want to start? You want to start on the right hand side or the left side? Oh, I just heard somebody say the left. So the left it is. All right, this here is a guitar amp, as you can see. Oh, by the way, before I even start, if anyone's interested in any of this gear that I'm about to show you, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at, full time, at full speed. Alright, first things first, a guitar amplifier. I don't see a name brand. I never heard of SP.10, but it's a smaller little unit. As you can see with the size of my hand, it's probably what, who knows, that's like an 8-inch speaker. But anyways, that's the second item. Wanger type of carry briefcase. Has handles built in. It's not a briefcase, but it's like a planner basically. Here's the logos. Let me file that off to the side back here so you can see this unit here. This here is for ham radios, old school. I was told that you can get words displayed on here. I'm not sure if he's just messing with me or whatnot. But comes with a power supply and output for audio, I believe. Is that even audio? A receiver and a key. Okay. So whatever that means. I don't know. RCA's power supply for a Technics amplifier. Pretty good overall condition. Works, of course. Okay, where do I go now? We'll go here. Next, CD Pioneer. This is just a basic model. Below that, brand new thermostat, digital. So, still in the wrapper, unused, in the original box. Okay, so that's that. Up here, unfortunate, I don't have the damn battery for this. So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I might have to order one. But I thought there was one, and I opened it, and sure enough, gone. So, that's that. Sony CD Mavica, 3.3 megapixels. Nobody's doing photos with that, but you can for some old school photos. It takes little CDs, as you can see. I got a stack full of those. The manual, power supply. To the right of that, a Pioneer AB amplifier, 200 watt, max power, MOSFET. Needs I gotta change out these screws, put the originals. Actually these are pretty, yeah, these are it. That's some mean power supply screws. That's fine there. Alright. Oh, this one, I gotta change out that one. Alright. So that's that.
Stop saying that's that.
Next, oh, this big box. It's not a big box, but it's a damn box. And it has keys galore and all kinds of other crap. So I know people like the old vintage keys. Personally, I do. Some other old stuff in here as well that people can actually use. As you can see, here's little goodies. This thing's pretty cool. I like this little pulley, brass. Alright, so that's that. The box itself is actually nice as well, as you can see. I believe that's a wine. Is that wine? Bourbon, Philippi, the Ross. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, wine. It's too bad the guy wrote on it. Alright, so below that, this was a nice find. 3 pieces of sterling silver women's necklaces. You got the snake. I forgot what this one was called. Was it the Figaro? I don't know what the hell that is. And this one's interesting. This one's old school as well. So that was nice. Look at this thing. I think I'm going to do a conversion for this. Unless somebody claims it. But it's an OTF comb. Very loud. Very heavy. I believe it's steel. Yep. Fun to play with. As you see, the dog don't like that noise. So let me stop that. Okay. Multi-tool by Gerber. A little bit of rust here and there. Easy fix. But comes with a case. No, I can't do this one hand, right? Which one is it? Oh, it's the middle one. There you go. A little cheap flashlight, but I always grab these in case, you know, people want spares in their house. But this one has the flash, so shout out to the flash squad out there. You know who you are. Yeah, has LED. A little damaged in the bottom. Now this thing here is interesting. Shout out to the duct tape, right? Damn. This must be where you hold on in the back, right, as you're chopping. It's actually an old school chopper. Probably for the fields. Oh yeah, I can see why they put the tape. Cracked handle. Yeah, I'm thinking I might do a refurbish on this. So stay tuned for that in the future. Now come along with me. Got another box here with all kinds of goodies. I just said, you know how much for the whole damn box? I bought the whole box. Who remembers that movie? Obey. Yep. Shout out to Roddy Piper. You know who you are. Anyways, to the side. Look at this flashlight. I don't know what that is. That's just a cheapie. Yeah, there's all kinds of cast iron parts in here. I did see a few that's pretty cool. See, that's something like that. Actually, that's yeah. As you can see, just all kinds of various Hot Wheels slash cars in here. Who knows what's at the bottom? I like the oldies like this, but look at this thing. Holy shit! No wheels. I think you can show the whole lot. Well, I don't know. Piece it out. Who knows? Look at that one, huh? That's pretty wild. Cool. And I think that's it, other than this box with charger adapters. That's all I ended up grabbing. Get you over here back on the table. Yeah, not a big day. Well, I appreciate everybody coming in, checking out this quick haul video. Shout out to all my new subs. Special shout out to my existing subs, especially the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. Shout out to everyone rocking out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Oh, I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and plugs out there. You know who you are as well. Thanks again. I'm out. Cheers.